What's up guys? Welcome to another video in which we are going to discuss about the Galaxy S21. As demand for the Galaxy S20 series remains relatively low this year, Samsung is accelerating the rollout of its successor line. South Korean media channel MTN said, naming sources with close tie to Samsung and its suppliers. Samsung has asked component makers to start producing parts for the Galaxy S21 a month and a half earlier than usual from November. The report said, adding that the industry sees the move as a way to fill the Galaxy S20 sales term while taking advantage of overseas markets Huawei has lost due to the ban. A South Korean media channel says that Samsung is planning to release the Galaxy S21 series early. Its launch could be pushed to as early as late December 2020, but January 2021 seems more likely. The report also states that Galaxy S21 Ultra will ship with an S Pen. Earlier reports have told us that Samsung plans on merging the Galaxy S and Galaxy Note line for smartphones by 2022 at the earliest. A news story from a South Korean news channel suggests that Samsung may release the Galaxy S21 series earlier than usual. It also confirms a report about the Galaxy S21 Ultra shipping with an S Pen. Money Today Broadcasting bases its assumption on Samsung's ramping up a production of its Galaxy S21 series of smartphones. There are talks about pushing the release date by up to a month and a half. If these rumors are correct, we can expect to see Samsung's newest flagship in action by the last week of December 2020. This rather unusual and sudden change in Samsung's smartphone release cycle is being done to resolve the Galaxy S20 and Note 20 series mistakes. The company's 2020 flagships have not sold particularly well, and Samsung hopes to recover some of that lost ground by unveiling the Galaxy S21 line early. However, an early Galaxy S21's release would render the Galaxy Note 20 series obsolete just 4 months after its launch. Such a rushed launch also raises several questions about the Galaxy S21 series internals. Does Samsung have enough Exynos 2100 and Qualcomm Snapdragon 875 stock for a full-scale release, or will Samsung put all of its egg in the Exynos basket and ship all the Galaxy S21 variants with Exynos chips? At least one story from earlier this year tells us that Galaxy S21 series will all Exynos. The Exynos 2100 is still shrouded by a mystery, thanks to its inconsistent Geekbench scores, while it manages to best the Qualcomm Snapdragon 875 in 2 instances. It fails to impress the third time. At this point, it is all but confirmed that it is expected to feature ARM's Cortex-X1 Super and Cortex-878 cores. We have seen what 4 Cortex-875 cores can achieve thanks to the Exynos 1080's recent Antutu showing, so things look promising for the Exynos 2100, at least on a paper. So before going to anyway, please subscribe this channel and also click on the bell icon for the latest and upcoming videos.